All right, these are the elevators at the Sutter Stockton garage. And these are known to be the quote-unquote high-speed elevators. So unfortunately, all the other floors are locked, as you can see. So we can only go up to 7. These are fast. Holy shit.
7th floor.
These were OTIS. Wow.
These are fast.
Yeah, I can definitely feel it.
1st floor.
Wow, these cabs are pretty nice.
Seventh floor.
Whoa. Pretty hard stop.
1st floor.
All right.
Second floor.